In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable OneDrive to start automatically with your computer. If you're someone who frequently uses OneDrive to store or access important files, having it launch at startup can be a real time saver. So let's get started with this simple but incredibly useful adjustment. First, we'll begin on your computer's desktop or start screen. Look for the search bar, usually located at the bottom on a Windows device. This search bar is your gateway to finding anything on your computer quickly. Click on it, and then type in Startup Apps. As you type, you should notice a list of search results appearing below the search bar. From this list, select the option labeled Startup Apps. This will open a new window where you can configure which applications are launched automatically when you start your computer. Now that you have the Startup Apps window open, you'll see a list of all the applications that can be set to run on startup. The window will display the application's name alongside a small toggle switch and some additional information about its startup impact. What you'll want to do next is scroll through this list to find OneDrive. It might take a few moments if you have many applications installed, so take your time exploring through them. You may notice that the list is organized alphabetically, making it a bit faster to find OneDrive. Once you spot OneDrive in your list, take a moment to look at the toggle switch next to it. If the switch is blue or lit up, that means OneDrive is already enabled to start at boot. If it's not, and it's grayed out, simply click on it to enable the toggle. By doing this, you are allowing OneDrive to open every time your computer boots up, so you can have quick and easy access to your cloud storage. You won't have to manually open it each time, which can streamline your workflow, especially if you rely on OneDrive for your daily tasks. And that's all it takes. Now that OneDrive is set to open at startup, you can get to your files faster without any additional steps when you turn on your computer. This small change can make a big difference in setting up an efficient computing environment. I hope you found this guide clear and easy to follow and that it helps improve your experience with OneDrive. If you have any further questions or topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.